Today I will show how to install VirtualBox and also how to install Ubuntu in Windows platform. VirtualBox, actually you can use it, Oracle VirtualBox, if you need to install Ubuntu in Windows environment. It just gives the virtual environment of Ubuntu in Windows only. So what you need to do, just open this site virtualbox.org, as you can see here, and here there are the download links. As you can see, download VirtualBox 6.1. so these are the host: Windows host OS, it's for Mac, it's for Linux. I will click on Windows because Windows is the operating system where I need to just virtually show or use Ubuntu. Just go in the Ubuntu, just click on the download, this 20.04, this one. This is the Ubuntu OS. You have to download that. Just follow the steps. It will take some time to download. As you can see, the size 2.5 GB. This is the Oracle VirtualBox. I'm installing it. See the steps. Install. No need to worry, you have to install it. Okay, these kinds of options generally come if you have some older version maybe, but you need to click. Again install, again install, start, completion. It's completed already. See, these are the icon which comes after installation. Okay, now click new operating system, Ubuntu. Then select the folder, then type the version. What is the version of your Ubuntu? It's 64. Check it properly. It is a recommended memory actually they are giving. Select the amount of RAM to be allocated to the virtual machine. You can allocate more also if you have more memory, that's up to you. The minimum recommended is that much. I am allocating a little bit more because I have more memory. As it is, this one, VirtualBox disk image, dynamic, the fixed size hard disk, this option is giving. And I will click on this. Wait for a moment. Yeah, dynamically allocated is preferred in this situation. As it's showing the storage on physical hard disks. So whether the new hard disks should be, yeah. This downloading is still going on. It's completed now. This is actually the ISO image. Perhaps you know about ISO. It is the main DVD actually of that OS which will boot if you install. Just follow the steps. Just increase the processor. These are your preferable settings what you want to do. It's not much something I will say. I will prefer according to my settings which suits to my system, storage, audio, etc. Just select the settings which I am clicking here. So it is now successfully running. Initially it will take some time. It is checking the disks. Now it's coming. Just click on install. English. Prefer normal installation, I prefer. There are other options here, if you can read it. Yeah, third party software. If erase disk can install UBUNTU, this will delete. It's up to you. I will choose this one. This was something. Press continue if you like to, or go back. Where are you? Kolkata, Los Angeles, where? I will choose Los Angeles. I am giving a name UBUNTU. It's just to show you. I hope you don't mind that. Create your password, UBUNTU password or whatever you want. Restart now. Just follow the steps also. You don't need to listen to my audio also. Just this one will also help. You need that. You have to unmount first. So I hope you have got the knowledge you required for this, and you can install from in your home also. Now you are ready to use that. You can use the terminal also and the basic settings of resolution etc. here. These are the softwares, as you can see. See, so such a great thing which you can do through Ubuntu. It's really very much user friendly and very lots of features are there. I prefer this one as compared to Windows. So I hope you have got your knowledge. Thank you.